In colonial America, life revolved around faith, family, and survival. Courtship was formal, meals were simple but shared, and church shaped every community decision. Step back into a world where love, food, and worship weren't just traditions, they were the foundation of daily life. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting history within the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. Colonial society prized order, reputation, and duty. How you behaved mattered as much as who you were. Meals were simple but filling: bread, porridge, stews, salted meat, root vegetables, and cider replaced clean water. Clothing signaled status: linen and wool for the working class, silk and fine coats for the wealthy. Nothing was wasted. Etiquette governed speech, posture, and greetings. Children bowed, elders commanded respect, and public shame was feared. Women managed homes, raised children, worked trades, and upheld moral order, often with little legal power. Courtship was formal and supervised. Letters, visits, and chaperones replaced passion with patience. Marriage was practical, uniting families, land, and labor. Love often came later, if at all. Colonial life demanded discipline, restraint, and resilience, values that shaped the people who would later demand freedom.